Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm going to be unboxing your May Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to be greeted with your info card, and I can't wait to show you all the fun things inside. This month's box's theme is It's a Wrap, so perfect for some teacher appreciation and end of the school year fun. So with that being said, don't forget to stay tuned to the very end because you're going to want to check out these fun Mother's Day and teacher appreciation things that come in your printable downloads. So let's dive in. With your art print of the month, you're going to love these fun colors and the pretty flowers, and every end is a new beginning. So perfect one to add to your collection or write a sweet note to somebody and give it to them. This new teacher bag, I love this material. I love the size. It's such a pretty detail and a fun one to add to your collection. You're going to get some new sticky notes, and these are great for reading groups or fun classroom decor around your classroom, and so perfect thing to add to your teacher desk and supplies. You're going to get some beauty tools. You're going to love this hair claw plus these gold detailed hair accessories. These are so cute to add to your collection. You're going to get these new highlighter set, which is a fun neutral color. I love these pretty colors. Perfect to add to your teacher desk. Some beauty fun. You're going to get a new hand mask, so you're going to get some new hand love this month, and so perfect for some repair there. And you're going to get a new note card set, and these are such pretty colors with the envelopes and with the pretty design. So perfect for adding some like Mother's Day touch or teacher appreciation notes to someone you love. So fun to keep in your teacher desk. And the fun doesn't stop there because you're also going to get your printable downloads. You're going to get your May calendar plus your weekly planner. You're also going to get some fun mom printables. So you have these ones that your students are going to love, plus this super cute writing prop, which makes a perfect display for your bulletin board this month. I can't wait to do that one. And since the school year is winding down, a fun teacher checklist, so perfect for staying organized and clean for the next school year, plus some teacher appreciation. So love the note cards. I love these fun printable things for you and your students to do and give to one another for your teacher friends. And so I hope that you like and subscribe, and I can't wait for you to get your May box this month. Plus, don't forget to come back for our June's unboxing very soon. Bye!